Hello. In this week's episode, I'm just continuing with the kitchen build because last week I had to stop it, take a break, and you saw a sneak peek of how the van looks like currently. And because I had to replace the windows, these windows. Oh yeah, oops, sneak peek. I've done carpeting on the windows. So yeah, anyway, I'm continuing with the kitchen part. I'm building it out. Stay tuned. Comment below if you want to see any specific video at all. And I have a special video which I'll be releasing next week. It's a very short video, just an idea I came up with while building the kitchen. Subscribe for that. You should find the button right there. Subscribe, and then you'll be able to watch that video when it comes out next week. But in the meantime, enjoy. Okay, I've had the water running for a bit, and it's enough now to try this pump. Yep, this works. Okay, let's try out the electric pump. Working. Okay, guys, so today on the van. Oh wait, where is the van? Yes, the van has gone out to get the air suspension kit installed on it. When it's back, I'll show you how it goes. Okay. Oh yeah, that's the guy's car. He left his car here, took the van, bring the van back, take his car back. Okay, bye. Okay, so I've got the airbag at 6 bar. And the van is at 80 centimeter. Okay, and now we have the airbag at 0.5 bar, which is the minimum, and the van is 77 centimeter. So only gained 3 centimeter. Okay, so I'm having the old airbag changed. I'm putting the new one. Just gonna measure out the height of the van. So at the moment, it is at 75 centimeter. So, once the airbag is all set, measured, I'll be able to see how much it increased by. So I've put the new airbags, and it's fully inflated now to 6 bar. And this is what it is showing now, right on the floor. Let's get this. This is what it's showing now. .83 centimeter on the right hand side, and the left hand side. .4 centimeter. That's the airbag also. Okay, so I've gained some centimeters also. Hey guys, so today I cut some more brackets from a 2 meter long aluminium equal L shape, and I've used a few already, so this is what's left. Right, I need to get more L brackets because this will last me a day. Right, and what I've done is connected this to the van frame using a reef nut. So now this is really solid, and then I connected this also to support this, and you can see the actuator that should be somewhere there, and I'll pull the bed. Should push it this way, and the bed will just come down this way, and then put it back, come back this way. It's going to be pivoted on one of these on either side. Okay. Hey guys, so I spent all day, well, most of the day, last 6 hours, constructing this and putting a few structures underneath. Also, I made extra support here yesterday. I made some more L brackets. So this is the fridge area, and then on top will be the closet or coat hanger where you hang your clothes. Just gonna test out the fridge first. Okay, this is our fridge. It's isotherm 130 liters of fridge, and I made it so you have clearance here. Open the fridge. Nice. Hey guys, I'm not sure if you can hear this. That's the heater going on. It's been on for 20 minutes. Let's go have a look. Woo! Wow, it's toasty in here. Very toasty. 30 degrees. It's very hot in here. Anyway, yeah, so what I've done so far, I've done some plumbing yesterday and today, and I've installed the outside shower, and then this will be the outside tap for a hose. I'll just show you very quickly. So outside hose comes here for garden hose, and then this will be the outside shower. Outside shower which goes here. All you do is take it out. It is quite long, and go shh. And when you're done, so it's hardly one-handed, you push this in all the way in. Once it goes in, let's go like that, and this fits in here, and then you close it with a key and lock. And then I have a tap here which can unlock for the outside tap to have like a garden hose plug in here, and we have a 15-meter long hose that goes around the vehicle. So if we do go out camping on the wild or off-road, and give the van a quick hose down. That's MI open to make the brackets. So she's had up, making sure everything is good. Yeah, when she's finished, I can put the brackets and put it in for the. Yeah, she's really focused. Okay. Oh, she heard me. Okay. Alright, bye. Hey guys, so today I bought another camera. I've got one on the back anyway, which when I go like this, it comes on from the top, and I bought another one to go on the bottom, but I realized I could actually put the camera in here. So what I've done, I've spliced some wires underneath here. Just testing it out now. If it works, I will make sure I solder it properly. So I'm just gonna point the camera to me, and then this is it. Reverse, and it works. Yeah, definitely works. So now I can just install this on the back, and then it should be okay. Yeah. Hey guys, so today I've installed the cooker, installed the sink. I'm just doing the gas pipe. I've already installed the cooker pipe. Okay, it's focusing now. And I'm doing the the oven gas pipe, just put in there the elbow, and then it's got compression fitting, and I put in some potter's glue, joint compound. Okay, just it's easier with aluminium, so all I did is just take out this panel. That easier like that, and I've got access to this. It's easier. If you're building with aluminium, just do that, and it's much easier. Okay, alright guys, so just test now the actuator for the bed. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so looking at this, I think I got a short actuator. Actually needs, I'm actually about 4 inches too short. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to get a bigger actuator that's 4 inches bigger than this. This is 8 inches. So I need to get 4 inches more. And then yeah, that should be able to fix it. Okay. Right, let's put this back on again. Let's close this. Just gonna put it back on again. Yeah, so make sure I get the actually that's 4 inches bigger, and then that should be able to push it up all the way and down again. Okay, right, bye.